Hello, I'm just coming on here today because I have such exciting news to tell you about my personal health and journey. So if you know this, if you may not, but over 7 years ago, I was diagnosed with lupus and celiac disease, was put on steroids and Plaquenil, and which was really harsh for the body. Plaquenil can also do a lot of damage to our guts as well as our eyesight. But God led me to Regenerative Health. Found Regenerative Health over 2 years ago, did the protocols, and have reversed my 2 autoimmune diseases and been off all my medications for over 2 years. But the exciting news is this. I went to the eye doctor yesterday, which it's been over 2 years, and I've reversed or actually improved my eyesight pretty dramatically through Regenerative Health protocols. And in over 2 years ago, when he looked into my retina, he could see a lot of indication of lupus and disease. Yesterday, it was all gone and clear. There is no indication of lupus or any other disease. This is so amazing, and it really, really fills my heart that Regenerative Health has this power. And I just want all you to know that Regenerative does have this power, and this power to help you as well.